Alcohol misuse can have deep impacts on your health. Drinking heavily increases your risk for cardiovascular disease, liver disease, stroke, cancer, seizures, and more. Going to rehab can be the first step to a healthier future. Our evidence-based addiction treatment offers medical detox to end alcohol use safely, tools to control cravings and manage stress, and healthy hobbies and habits to replace drinking. The Recovery Village facilities are trusted alcohol rehabs led by physicians. Our medical detox and therapies get you through withdrawal safely and help you avoid relapse. If you're concerned alcohol addiction is impacting your health, our recovery advocates can help. Call us today and get your life back at 855-239-9898.